Ever wondered about the complexities and challenges that come with substation maintenance? How do we navigate the labyrinth of processes, equipment inspections, and fault diagnoses? Well, enter the intelligent chatbot, a revolutionary solution that's here to transform the landscape of substation maintenance. This intelligent chatbot is no ordinary virtual assistant. It's a sophisticated blend of advanced technologies such as natural language processing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. It's been designed to learn from consumer interactions, steadily improving its responses over time. And of course, data security is paramount, ensuring robust protection and compliance with privacy policies. But this chatbot isn't just about answering queries, it's about understanding them. With natural language understanding techniques and a query classification system, it dives into the heart of user questions, categorizing them into maintenance-related topics like equipment inspections and fault diagnosis. Now, imagine this. You're a technician needing guidance on a routine transformer inspection. Our chatbot is there, providing step-by-step guidance, checklists, safety precautions, and even recommending tools or equipment. Or perhaps you're an engineer facing issues with a circuit breaker. The chatbot is ready with troubleshooting steps to help identify and resolve the problem. The chatbot's comprehensive knowledge base is also a treasure trove of information on various substation components, maintenance procedures, safety protocols, and troubleshooting guides. And with its ability to share images, diagrams, and other visual aids, understanding maintenance procedures and identifying equipment has never been easier. But what sets this chatbot apart is its contextual understanding. By using semantic search and contextual knowledge, it offers context-aware responses. And when it comes to safety, the chatbot can answer safety-related queries and provide information on safety procedures and protocols within substations. In summary, this intelligent chatbot is a game changer. It's like having expert guidance at your fingertips, efficiently aiding technicians in diagnosing and resolving equipment issues, minimizing downtime and disruption. It's a tool for data logging and analysis, facilitating data-driven decision-making and predictive maintenance. And in critical situations, maintenance personnel can rely on the chatbot for immediate emergency response. So the next time you think about substation maintenance, remember this. The future is here, and it's intelligent, adaptive, and ready to assist. Welcome to the era of the intelligent chatbot.